Hello, this is Kamran. Welcome to this comprehensive course designed for QA automation engineers, university students, and individuals who want to start a career in programming. In the previous video, we talked about arithmetic operators. In this session, we will discuss comparison or relational operators and then practice it. Comparison operators. We have various types of comparison operators in Python. For example, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's start to practice it. Let me print comparison operator title. Let's check these two variables comparison. Equal to x equal to y. What would be the answer? The answer would be false because these two variables are not equal to. So the output let's check not equal to. X is not equal to y. What would be the answer? The answer is true because the x is not equal to y. The x is 10 and y is 3. Let's check greater than and equal to. Let's check greater than. X is greater than y. What would be the output? The output would be true because x is greater than y. Let's print less than. X is less than y. What would be the output? X is less than y. The output would be false. Let's check greater than equal to. X is greater than or equal to y. What would be the output? The output is true. The x is greater than y, but it's not equal to, but it is greater than y. So the answer would be true. Let's check less than and equal to. X is less than and equal to y. What would be the answer? The x is less than and equal to y. The output is false. Because x is greater than y. It's not less than y. Let's run the code. Now you can see comparison operator title. Then first is saying it's false. That is, yep. Then true, then true, then false, then true, then false. So in Python, you can apply any kind of comparison or relational operators. See you in next video. In the next video, we will talk about logical operators in Python. Thank you for watching this video.